It is 4:47 a.m. and I am about to head out on my America 250 road trip. I have 25 hours drive in front of me. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to stop overnight somewhere, but I'm just going to go and make it as far as I can this first day here. And so let's hit the road. I already left the house. I did a video clip there, but my audio wasn't working, so I had to stop and pull over here and get it working again. It's kind of dark right now, obviously, but let's get rolling here. Turn this around for a moment. All right, here we go. Away we go. This small town here. And this is Minnesota, I should say. And I'm going, like I said, 25-hour drive to my destination. So, you can see there's snow. So we can try to guess where I'm going, maybe. What direction I'm going. Okay. Crossing this bridge.
Go past County Road 54 and turn left onto the I-94 East ramp.
Yep. You heard her, I think.
Turn left onto the I-94 East ramp.
Okay.
Then merge onto I-94 East.
When I get on the interstate, now the road trip starts. Officially started. When I get the cruise control set.
Continue on I-94 East for 81 miles.
Okay. Okay, well, this is where the road trip really starts now. It's for real. But anyways, I'm going to take and just enjoy the drive, and we'll talk to you later. And of course, it'll be light out by then. Okay, it's 9:45 a.m. right now, and I'm driving across Wyoming. I still got 1,400 miles to go. 1,404 miles exactly right now, is it saying. It says 20 hours and 24 minutes, it's saying. So, so it's been driving almost about 5 hours or so. Pretty close to that. It's been pretty good driving too so far. Made it through Minneapolis all right. So now it's really light traffic going across Wisconsin. So I'm going to take and flip this around so you can kind of see the road a little. As you can see, there's way more snow here in Wisconsin than there was back home in Minnesota. I think they had a snowstorm that dumped just this past week, a few days ago, that dumped a lot of snow. It sure looks like it anyways. But that's the update right now. Oh yeah, I did fill up on gas once. You know, I just stopped in, filled up on gas, and hit the road. So anyways, I just wanted to do a little update on this America 250 road trip I'm on. So I'm going to continue driving, and we'll talk to you later. All right, it's 5 minutes to 1 p.m. now, and I'm driving in Illinois, and I just ate. I have a cooler here, right here. I can zip it open and reach in there and grab a couple sandwiches that I had already made. so I didn't even have to stop. I haven't stopped since that first fill up, that first time I gassed up. So ever since that previous clip in Wisconsin, I have not stopped. I've been driving the whole time. But anyways, I am now 1,179 miles away from my destination. And I'm in Illinois, like I said, driving south. Right now it's 39 degrees out, it's showing, if that thing's accurate. And when I left home this morning, I think, what was it, 22 degrees, something like that. So it's a little warmer. But anyways, that's an update now, and I ran out of windshield washer fluid for the windshield, so right now it's just covered, pretty dirty right now. But I'll take it, flip it around, and let you see it anyways. That's how it looks. I'm not sure if you can see how dirty the window is, but this is what Illinois looks like at this section here. So that's gonna wrap up this video clip here, and I'll be doing some more video clip for this video, probably for the rest of the day. I'm hoping to, yeah, I don't know how far I'm going to go. I'm still playing it by ear how far I'm going to go. But anyways, so, all right, talk to you later. All right, I just filled up on gas and also got some windshield wiper fluid. So I filled that up and was able to get the windshield cleaned off. But anyways, I was going to use their squeegee thing, but the thing was froze right in the water that they have to the washer stuff to. Yeah, that's the, you know, the thing that's the squeegee's in there. It was just frozen in there. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I'm just holding my mic right now, so I'm not going to take. I need to recharge these things, so I'm going to be putting that back into the charger, so I won't have any audio. So I'm not going to do any video clips while I'm driving until probably when I get to a motel. I think we'll see. I'll play it by ear. But anyways, I just filled up in Peoria, Illinois, and heading south. So anyways, all right, I'm going to go hit the road and talk to you later. Okay, it's a little after 11 p.m. right now, and right now I decided to get a room for the night, and this is in Tullahoma, Tennessee. I drove through Nashville, went going towards Chattanooga, and I pulled over. I found a place to fill up on gas, and I checked and see if there were any motels nearby, and that's how I found this one. So it's a little off from I-24, the road, the interstate that I was on, but that's okay. But anyways, this is the room here. Let's take and do that. There. See, it's not a bad room. Nice spacious, a nice big room. We got one bed. And I got it for $79 and what was it? And change, like 14 cents, something like that. You got the fridge, microwave, and there we go. Nice little room for one night. And this was only for $80 basically, or 79, you know. As I decided that even though it was late at night, just to get the room so I can get a good night's rest on that bed there. But anyways, this is the first day of my America 250 road trip, and I still got a little over 600 miles to go yet tomorrow. It's in between, I think it's like 9.5 hours. It's less than 10, but around 9.5, something like that. But somewhere in there. But anyways, that's going to be tomorrow's video, that's travel. But it's that wraps up this first video, this first day of this America 250 road trip. And so, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get notified when I post. So, I don't know if it's going to be every single day or a couple days in between, but just when I get the videos ready. So, anyways, once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.